Welcome to your home sweet home. So I'm very excited to show you this beautiful property. We are in the heart of Citrus County in Beverly Hills, Florida, and that location is ideal. There's no HOA here, no deed restrictions. We have easy access to Ocala for a lot of options of shopping and restaurants, as well as we just had the new Suncoast Parkway expansion completed, just very close. The access on-ramp is very close to us, and that allows us to get to Tampa very quickly as well. So this is a great location with easy access to a lot of really awesome things that you want to enjoy in Florida. So this house is a complete remodel. We're gonna walk through and I'm gonna show you all the highlights, but it's all new flooring, new doors, new bathrooms, 2 full baths. Look how beautiful this bright bathroom is. Tub shower combo there. All of the baseboards and the molding have been replaced. This is a nice sized bedroom, one of the 2 bedrooms in this house. You notice we have good double pane windows throughout. And everything is freshened up, ready for your personal touches. So this is the master bedroom. It does have its own ensuite bathroom, which I'll show you. We've got a closet in the bedroom, and then we have additional closet and storage space here on the bathroom. So a really awesome barn door separates the closet and bathroom. We've got a beautiful shower. This is a brand new shower. And a huge closet here. So plenty of space to hang clothes, keep your shoes organized, accessories, purses, anything else that you want to store. And a nice separation to the toilet and the sink from the shower. Lots of room here for dressing. Really an awesome extra space that is quite unexpected. So 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, linen closet, and a nice spacious living room. We have a completely remodeled kitchen, wood cabinets, brand new appliances. This house is ready to go for you. We've got a nice solar light there, so you can be very efficient with use of your electricity. And again, a back den with beautiful double pane windows, as well as a nice extra patio. So this is the time of year you want to open up those windows and let the breeze blow through the house. The weather is beautiful. It is starting to get warmer again, so summer is upon us, spring is upon us, but this yard gives you lots of good space for gardening. We've got sprinklers. I do not believe the sprinklers have been used in a long time, so I don't know the actual function there. This shed is a huge bonus. It's a block shed, so it will be very durable for a very long time, and you can see it's really good space to store things and just keep your yard equipment covered. So to the other side of the house, we also have another storage shed. The house was freshly painted inside and out, so you're all set there. All of the major items have been taken care of. Brand new roof, in addition to the full remodel inside the home. So this is the side shed, and this is additional storage space. So again, for your tools and yard equipment and so on and so forth. So this is a great option. I'm going to show you the laundry room and the garage, and then I'll let you know how to contact me to make your offer. Head back inside. Really nice space here in the backyard. You can see how bright and sunny it is today. Couple of fences there on the side and the back, and you'd be all set to go for any pets. Head back inside the house. The whole house has the luxury vinyl plank flooring, so very easy maintenance. Only exception is this laundry room has tile floors. Nice space, additional cabinets in the laundry room. We've got the extra little laundry hanging utilities, and the water heater is brand new as well. And then a one-car garage. So you've got plenty of space here to get a car parked, and some additional space for storage, a side door going outside, which is always nice to have. And there you have it. So this is a great option for a nice size home in a great location. If you're interested in more information, please contact my team, RES Luxury Group, 352-794-1426.